Hello students, good morning. As we are doing exercise work of unit second Roman numerals. In that we have done question 1 and question 2. Now today in this video we will continue with question number 3, that is fill in greater than or less than symbols. So students, as you all are almost familiar with Roman number symbols, so here what we have to do, we have to compare these symbols by which we will decide which one is greater than or which one is less. So see, the first one is given A XL. Yes students, tell me what the symbol XL tell us. Yes, very good. XL means 40. First we will write in numbers both the sides, then we will decide. Okay, it will be easy for you. Now 3 times x ix. So what this symbol denotes? Yes, very good. 3 times x means 30 and ix means 9. So it comes 39. Now one side it is 40, one side 39. So which one is the greater number? XL. So we will put symbol, greater symbol towards XL. In B1 again you have to decide the less or greater symbol. So LX. LX means 50 plus X means 60 and XL. XL means 40. So which is the greater one? Yes, LX. Now let us see the next one. XLII. XL means 40 and 2 times I means 2. So it comes 42. And here LXI. LX means 50 plus 10 60 plus 1 61. So 42 or 61, which one is greater? LXI. E1. LXXV. LXX means, yes, 70 and plus V means 75. Very good. On the other side it is given LXIX. So LX means 60 and IX means 9. So it comes 69. So 75 and 69. Which one is greater? Very good. 75. LXXV. Now let us see the next one. The symbol is XLIX. And other side it is LIX. So XLIX means 40 and IX means 9. So it comes 49. Here LIX means, L means 50, IX means 9. So it comes 59. Now 49 and 59. Which one is greater? Yes, very good. 59. Now let us see the F1. It is given LXXIX. LXX means 70, IX means 9. So it comes 79. And on the other side it is given XL. XL means 40 and V 3 times I means 8. So it comes 48. Now 79 and 48. Which one is greater? Yes, very good. LXXIX, that is 79. In G, one side it is given C. C means 100. Another side it is given L. L means 50. So which one is greater, C or L? Very good. C, 100. H. XC. Yes, I have told you about this symbol. Very good. XC means 90, means 100 minus 10 comes 90. Now on the other side it is given LXXX, 3 times x means 50 plus 30, and V 3 times I means 8. So 50 plus 30, 80 plus 8, 80, 8. 90 or 88, which one is the greater? XC. In I, one side it is given C. C stands for 100. And on the other hand it is given XC. XC means 90. So tell me student, which one is the greater one? C. Very good. So students, we have done this question number 3. Now you have understood that the number of symbol is not so important as the rule of the writing of symbols. Like if you see this H1, so many symbols are used here, so long it is, but XC is greater than this. So here we have to go through the rule which is used in Roman numerals. Now question number 4 is also based on this greater than, less than, or it is increased one thing more, that is equal to. So how we have done question number 3, like that way we will do these questions. First we will write the numerals what they are. Here in questions you can see both type of numerals are given. See, somewhere it is given Hindu Arabic and somewhere where it is given in Roman numerals. So let us do this one by one. See, your first one in 4th it is given LXXV. So what is LXXV students? Very good. L means 50, XX means 20, so 70, and V means 5. So it comes 75. And on the other side it is in Hindu Arabic already given 75. Here 75, here 75. So which symbol is applicable here? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Very good. Equal to. Both the sides are equal. So we will use the symbol equal to. B. Now here the numbers given in Hindu Arabic 42 plus 16. So what we have to do here? First we have to add these numbers together. Now 2 ones plus 6 ones comes 8, and 4 tens plus 1 tens comes 5. 4 tens plus 1 tens 5. So it comes 58. Now on the other hand it is given in Roman numerals XL. XL as we know it is 40, and V 3 times I means 8. So it comes 48. So now you can tell me which one is greater one, 58 or 48? Very good, 58. 42 plus 16. C. Now here you can see what it is given, 120 minus 45. So you have to first subtract this 45 from 120. So what you will get? Subtract it and tell me. Yes, very good, 75. Oh, it is 75. Now here L 3 times X V, what it comes? L 50 plus 30 and V 85. So 75, 85, which one is greater one? Yes, L XXX V. Now let us see the next one, D1. Here XC, XC means 90 and IV means 4. So it comes 94. Now here what you have to do, on the other hand side it is given 16 into 6. So how you will multiply? What you will get by multiplying it? Multiply it. Very good, 96. Now which side is greater, 94 or 96? 16 into 6. Very good. Now see the even. In division also it is given. Now 240 you have to divide by 3 on one side, and other side it is given LXXX. LXXX means, let us first write this, 80. No? Now divide this 240 by 3. What you will get? Very good, 80. 3 8 are 24, 0. Now this side 80 and this side also 80. So both the sides are equal. So what symbol we will use here? Equal to. Very good. Now let us see the last question based on this concept, that is less than, greater than or equal to of the numerals. So 7 into 9. Yes, 63. And other side it is given XL. XL means 40 and plus 3 comes 43. So 63 or 43, which one is greater? 7 into 9. So we will put the greater symbol towards 8. So students, this is the way to compare the numerals. Either it is based on the same symbols or with different numerals with different operations, either in multiplication or addition or subtraction or division. First you have to guess the number properly, then put the correct symbol. Now revise these questions properly, and in my next video we will move towards question 5 of this unit.